If you want a simple, delicious meal in less than 20 minutes, this pasta salad is for you. Here's all you do. Boil your pasta, and while that's doing its thing on the stove, slice a bunch of mini tomatoes in half and toss them in a bowl. Top that with lots of peas. Sprinkle on nutritional yeast, sunflower seeds, and hemp seeds. Pour on some watered down hummus. Add your cooked pasta, and then give it a mix. After that, add some arugula and mix again. Voila! How simple was that? We love this. It's an absolute staple in our home. We make it a couple of times a month because it's so easy to throw together and it's so delicious. It's also great if you need to go to a family gathering and you need to pull something together quickly. Here it is. Everyone loves this salad. It's amazing. I hope you give it a try. I will link to some of the products in the description for you so you know what they are and where to get them. But if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them for me. I'd be happy to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.